In the next few lectures, we're going to explore the gas laws. These describe certain aspects of gas behavior when the mass of the gas remains constant or basically goes unchanged. These laws describe the effects of changing pressure or changing volume or temperature and how these factors affect one another. These laws assume that the gas in question is an ideal gas, or otherwise referred to as a quote-unquote perfect gas. So let's clear up some basic assumptions as to what an ideal gas is. An ideal gas is a completely theoretical gas that has many molecules or particles moving randomly within a designated space. We are to assume that the molecules do not interact with each other. However, they do experience many elastic collisions with one another. During collisions, they do not lose their kinetic energy.